Hi friends, thanks for stopping by. Hernan here, Simply NAS West Coast. We have some exciting news today. We have with us the all-new QNAP TS-h886. Now, remember, the H stands for Hero, QUTS Hero Operating System, and ZFS File System. So this desktop NAS system has the ZFS File System built in, as well as a very powerful Xeon D processor. We're going to talk about that. First of all, let's open it up, start looking at the contents, and then we're going to deep dive into the system. Now, let's take a look. We will open it up and find our accessories. In this case, an accessories pouch. Within the pouch, you will find 2 Ethernet cables, our quick installation manual, as well as our screws. Remember, the stainless steel screws are for the larger 3.5 spinning drives. The smaller black screws are for your SSD drives, your 2.5 drives. Remember that, okay? Rule of thumb. All right, so typically we ship our NAS systems fully configured, ready to go with the drives built in. If you receive a NAS system without the drives, you will have those screws. Now, here is our power cable. You'll notice that there's no power supply, external one, because it's built in, remember. Now, let's take a look at the NAS system. Now, let's open this guy up. Check that out. Here it is. Here it is. Look at that. Let's open it up, take a very good look at it. Now, when you receive it, it's going to be packaged in this plastic to protect it from weather. Open that up. And we'll slide our NAS system right out. Remember, be very gentle with this NAS system. It can be heavy. It can be populated with several hard drives, so you got to be very careful with that, okay? Because the system does get heavy when fully populated. Also, be very gentle when placing it, when moving it, because it does have components that are very, very sensitive, all right? So here, let's take a look at this here. All right, now we'll start from the left-hand side. These are our SSDs, all right? So these bays can hold 2.5 SSDs. Perfect for caching, right? Or for Q-tiering as well. Now down here, you will find your hard drives. These are for your typical 3.5 hard drives, right? Obviously, if you're using a system like this, enterprise class system, you really want to use the right hard drives. Questions about the hard drives, reach out to us and we'll tell you exactly what you need. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hard drives here, up to 14 terabytes in a system like this. So it's 14 times 6 plus extra SSDs here. All right, so here's our face here, and you can see very clearly here, this is our power button nestled right in here. Okay, now down here is our USB 3. You can see that here. Now let's take a look at the back of the system. Here it is. All right. So let's start on this side. This is the internal power supply. Okay. This is where the cable is going to be inserted. Here, down here is our power toggle, as you can see there. All right. So next to that, you'll see our fans here. These are system fans, CPU fans. Here are LAN ports compatible with either gigabit or 2.5 gigabit Ethernets. And our USB 3.0 ports here. Up here are PCI slots. Now, let's take a look at its hardware internally. Check this out. Powerful Intel Xeon D processor with up to 128 gig DDR4 ECC memory. The TS-h886 uses an Intel Xeon D 1600 series processor
and DDR4 ECC memory that can detect and correct single-bit errors as they occur to prevent downtime and data loss, supporting up to 128 gigs of RAM to cope with higher workloads. The TS-h886 provides high performance and reliable NAS solution for demanding business IT environments. Supports ECC memory, error correcting code, running reliably without data corruption. The Intel Xeon processor supports ECC, which automatically detects and repairs single-bit error on the fly, and it supports up to 128 gigs. Now, let's look at the internal design. The TS-h886 comes with two NVMe Gen 3 X4 M.2 ports, so you can install M.2 SSDs. Next, you'll see the 6cm CPU cooling fan. Above that is one PCIe Gen 3 X8 slot. Below that is another PCIe Gen 3 slot. Here we can see the Intel Xeon D processor. And next to the processor is our 4 slots for our DDR4 long DIMM.
Now you're probably thinking, powerful machine, what can I use this for? These are some of the typical applications that this all-new QNAP TS-h886 can help you and your company. Check this out.
Data integrity is key. The QUTS Hero's self-healing ensures data integrity and reliability. Write once, read many times worm is also supported by QUTS Hero. RAID Z enables robust data protection. Multiple RAID levels allow flexible capacity utilization. RAID triple parity and triple mirror deliver high levels of data protection. Multi-level cache technology with both read and write. Main memory read cache L1, ARC SSD second level read cache L2 ARC, and ZFS intent log ZIL for synchronous transactions are simultaneously supported to boost performance. App Center ecosystem extends the NAS functionality. Apps for backup, sync, business, content management, productivity, and more features can be installed on demand to expand the application potential of the TS-h886. Small to medium-sized businesses without dedicated IT staff. In a small office environments, centralized data storage with easy management is essential to streamline everyday file creation and sharing. However, small businesses may lack the requirement or budget for dedicated IT staff. Time-sensitive collaborative media editing. When it comes to storing and sharing media files, it is incredibly important for editors in studios and TV stations to have stable file access and ability to edit and share media files simultaneously with their group members. Featuring high performance, high capacity, and scalability, the QNAP NAS presents the ideal solution for storing high-resolution media files. QNAP also provides NAS with 5 gigabit, 10 gigabit, and Thunderbolt connectivity, as well as PCIe expansion for 10 gig, 25 gig, and 40 gig connectivity to meet the diverse application needs. Users that require reliability, efficiency, and flexibility. The amount of data generated by modern enterprises is staggering, providing a serious challenge for IT staff. Enterprises require storage systems with uncompromising reliability and stability to empower their growth and day-to-day operations while satisfying demands in operational efficiency and cost effectiveness. Virtualization and cloud integration. A QNAP NAS with QUTS Hero prioritizes data security and system availability and system stability while supporting virtualization, making it ideal for data center running mission-critical applications. It supports VMware, vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, Windows Server, Citrix XenServer, and Veeam virtual platforms. It can also host multiple virtual machines to operate large server applications. With SSD caching enabled, IOPS performance in virtualization applications can be greatly improved. Block level inline data deduplication and compression help realize cost-effective storage, while instant snapshot and SnapSync can be the cornerstone of an effective disaster recovery plan.
So friends, there you have it, the powerful QNAP TS-h886 NAS system. Very powerful. It has the ZFS file system, QUTS operating system. It has a quad-core CPU, and it's got insane amount of RAM for your company, for your workload, or for you power users at home that really need a machine that's powerful and robust. This is the machine for you. Now, we can fully populate this machine. We can get it turnkey for you when you receive it. All you do is turn it on. It's ready to go. All right. So, more information, reach out to us. sales@simplynas.com. You can always check out our website as well. We have our prices up on our website. Now, that is www.simplynas.com. All right. Feel free to reach, leave comments, or reach out to us anytime. Comments are always welcome. And remember, always like and subscribe. And turn on your notifications as well, because we're uploading videos once or twice a week. All right. So again, this is Hernan on behalf of Simply NAS. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.